Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to be learning how to use Google Workspace AI. With the current world, we have artificial intelligence almost everywhere, and Google Workspace has not been left behind. In this YouTube channel, you'll find a lot of tutorials about AI, and so that will be a great place also for you to learn. And this is also a great place for you now to learn about Google Workspace AI. Now, once you go to workspace.google.com, and I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, you'll be able now to be brought to this site. And when you look at the pricing for Google Workspace AI, you will notice that they have a business starter that goes for $6 per user per month. And then they have the business standard that goes for $12 per user per month, and the business plan that goes for $18, and the enterprise where you can get a custom made package for you. Now, with these packages, you notice that every plan includes Gmail, Google Drive, Google Meet, Calendar, Chat, Jamboard, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Keep, Sites, Forms, and App Sheet. So all this, that is the business starter, business standard, and business plan, and enterprise, all include these apps here. Now, to learn about this, you notice now we can use the Duet AI in Google Workspace. And this Duet is a new way of working that helps you use generative AI in all the different platforms of Google Workspace, including Google App, that is including Zoom, including Google Sheets, that is you're able to use the Duet AI, as you can see down here. The next thing you can do is how you write, visualize, organize, and connect in your Google Workspace. With Google Workspace AI, you are able to get help on how to write. For instance, if you notice here, if you can type, help me write a customer proposal, including a calendar event, and then you click on that, you'll be able to get a calendar, you'll be able to get a customer proposal, AI generated. And to see that in action, we are going to click here, write a proposal in Docs. So see it in action, I'll click on that so that you can see exactly what this does. So you'll simply type here, help me write, and then down here, as you can see on their website, write a customer proposal, custom, and then you click on generate, and it's able now to generate for you all this. You see the customer name, the volume, discount, all this has been generated, and it's available on their website on how to generate that. And if you need to use it, you simply click on insert, and then you are able now to edit it, contact us, maybe you can add all the details that you need for that. So this Duet AI helps you write customer proposals, and that is just a sample of what you can do with it. Basically, it helps you write, visualize, organize, and connect more meaningfully with your clients. Next here, you can also draft an email to a customer in Gmail using Google Workspace AI. Remember, we said that Google Workspace AI is linked also to your email. And so once you pay for it, you are able to integrate it in your Gmail. And you are able now to draft an email to a customer in Gmail. To see it in action, you will simply give it a prompt on what you need it to do. So you simply come to your Gmail, and then you can just type the prompt to your customer, help me write. Then you write down here what you need, invite to Kruti for exam briefing in Air Qualify next Tuesday. Then it generates for you from that prompt. You notice it has generated this email for you there on the invitation, how the person has been invited, the time, the purpose, the venue, all that has been generated as a draft. And now you are able to edit this draft and now add the details. Maybe you notice here, like for instance, it added Tuesday at 2 p.m. and maybe your meeting, you want it at a different time. So you may not have to change everything here. You just change what fits your what fits your email, the one that you want to send to your client. You notice like here for best regards, it has left it open so that you can now fill in your detail there and any other thing that you can edit. So you notice when you have such a template to start from, it makes your drafting or your writing an email so easy. Next, you can generate custom visuals in slides simply using Google Workspace AI. To do that, if you visit their site, you'll notice here, this has been generated using custom AI. So you basically type a prompt here, and then you are able now to describe what you need here, air quality sensor, snowy landscape during, and then you generate that, generates for you, you select the images that you want down here, you add the style that you want in terms of photography, illustrations, backgrounds, or clip arts. You can select maybe photography, then you click on create, and then it creates for you. And you can even check more of the things that you can choose. For instance, it generates these 4 images, which are almost similar, but you choose the one that you feel this is the right image for the project that I want to do. So once you click on that, it generates for you the images, and then you now get your presentation well done on this side. Very simple. So you notice now the next thing you can also do, you can create a project tracker in Sheets. To see that in action, I'll click on this, which is also available in their website, so that you can see what you can do with this. You simply come to your Sheets here, a project tracker in Sheets. So you simply type your project here, and then you can create your tracker, and that is it. So finally, there are those questions that you may have. These features look great. How can I try them out? You notice that question is answered, that currently they are testing these new experiences with trusted testers in Google Workspace Labs. If you'd like to express your interest, you join the program through their site, workspace.google.com. Then you click here. And then if you need to know when these features will be available for everybody, you basically come down here and you notice they have given you the details. They are currently refining them so that once they release them to everybody, they'll not have the bugs and other things that come with new features. If you need to know when there will be more AI-powered features in Workspace, this is where you see them at google.io. And they announce a number of new generative AI features that are now starting to roll out to users in Workspace Labs. And you can also read their blogs down here. So I hope that whets your appetite on when and how to use the Google Workspace AI. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.